Hey makers, it's Mel. Today on Makers Moments, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on making the most of your wooden wick crackle. Aside from offering an interesting point of difference for your candle, they also have another fun benefit. They crackle. The crackling is a result of a fun scientific thing called combustion. Combustion takes place inside of a wooden wick when the wood cellulose meets the heat of the flame. Just as wooden wicks need wax to burn, the type of wax you use will also change the way that your wick crackles. If you really want to make the most of your crackle, reach for a wax type that contains some food-grade paraffin or coconut wax, such as deluxe satin soy or cocoa apricot cream. Paraffin is a harder wax type, and the harder the wax, the stronger the crackling will be. 100% soy is extremely soft and oily and will dampen your crackle significantly. So, if you're looking for a nice robust crackling effect, stay away from 100% soy wax. And if crackling isn't your thing, there's also a wooden wick variety that naturally crackles less. The Whisper Wick. The Whisper Wick is made from a light wood that has about 50% less crackle than the wood we use for our crackling wicks. In addition to its gorgeous lighter aesthetic, it has a much fainter crackle for those of you who may want the wooden aesthetic without as much sound. Now that you know how to make the most of your crackle, we can't wait to see what you create. What's your favorite thing about wooden wicks? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!